back on the job. I want to get this thing up and running today. What do we see here? We see silver tape. Somebody has been up here and has put some silver tape in case of rain, because the damn installing contractor did not do his job. Little does he know. Bam! I'm way ahead of you. Way ahead of you. Everybody thinks they're a step above, but they're not. Come on, what do you think? I forgot about that? The only problem is I forgot and broke this one backwards. Duh. So I have to fix this one. But I want to see this thing up and running today. And not to disappoint, pow! A new Rheem package heat pump, 2.5 ton. This is it, the Rheem packaged heat pump, sitting on a curb, an adjustable curb. Has a little damage here. I'm going to replace this panel, reskirt it. But we're going to get this one together and have her up and running in about an hour. That's a 3 ton. I said 2.5 in my previous video, but it's a 3 ton. Here's the Rheem heat pump up and running. The only thing I have to do is the RQNL BO36 JK000 is run the condensation. I'll talk to the contractor about that. But there's not much to it. Nothing to it but to do it. The thing is level, the slight tilt to the back, slightly tilted to the back. You probably can't pick it up on the video. With a slight dent, which will be reworked, re-sleeved. All good. Actually, the coil's in good shape. Just cosmetic. Slight tilt, 1/8" bubble off the level. Front of the unit. This end approximately 1/2 inch higher than front. It's all done.